I'm Ruhan, and I go to Amador Valley, and this is my third milestone. For my third milestone, I switched out my Arduino Uno for an ESP32. The ESP32 comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities that allows it to connect to websites. For my website, I used Adafruit, so and I added a button and a food log. The food log tells you what time the dog was automatically fed, while the button allows you to feed at any time. When you press the button, it connects through the ESP32 by by Wi-Fi, and because it's also connected to the app through the code, it is able to like process the when the button is clicked. When the button is clicked, the ESP32 processes it through its code and sweeps the servo, and it will release some food. Another thing I added on to my project was these brackets to hold the servo in place instead of letting it fall or break. The biggest challenges I faced was the servo. Two of my servos broke, so I had to replace both of them. One of them was overheating, and the other stopped working. Uh, Another big challenge I faced was the VIN overheated one of my servos, so I had to switch it from VIN to a battery pack. So I used this battery pack and connected it up to the breadboard and connected the ESP32 to it as well, and connected all the wires to the servo, and I got it working without without a chance of it might be able without a chance of the servo overheating or getting fried. For my modifications, I plan to add more functionalities to the website, adding more buttons or more stuff to it that might help me understand more about what's going on with the project. And and the other thing I might want to add is like a tree dispenser if I get time for that.